We know that every great journey begins with a bold aspiration. In 2003, at the heart of Dubai, we envisioned a company that would redefine the automotive trading industry, bridging innovation, quality, and trust. This is the story of Fales Grand. Connecting global trade. From humble beginnings in automotive industry, Fales Grand has earned a wealth of experience. Since our establishment, we have always moved forward with positivity and determination. We ensure that our own brands hold the highest industry standards. Today, our company provides a comprehensive range of products, such as tires, tubes, wheels, and batteries. Our products are certified by leading international standards. We ensure top safety and quality in every product. From vision into reality, we deal in high-performance tires, proudly partnering with LingLong Tire since 2005, delivering over 20 years of quality and trust. Awarded LingLong Excellence 2025. We manufacture Crystal Tire, A1, Black Wolf, Hilux, Phloride, Trex, EverRide, and Power GT tires. Partnerships with trusted manufacturers deliver reliable global business solutions. We proudly participate in the world's leading automotive trade exhibitions. Fales Grand. We don't just deliver products, we build relationships.